Hello everyone, I'm IVEN and welcome to another video. Today I would like to introduce you to the products of the CRYPTOTAG company. They created the world's best-selling seed trace storages, which I will present you today. First we will start unboxing the package, so I invite you to watch. So I've already opened the package, I'll move it a bit to the side and we'll start taking things out of it. At first a nice surprise, something sweet from CRYPTOTAG, I'll definitely eat it later. The next thing is Lucky Cover Bitcoin, which we'll open later. Then we have Thanks for Purchasing, Lucky Cover Blue, a cover that fits Zeus, among other things, and finally the most important thing, Loki and later Zeus. First we'll move on to opening Loki, and this is what the contents of the box look like after opening. Now we'll move on to opening Zeus. Here the contents look like this. Now I'll show you the cover and the Loki covers. As for how to use these seed trace storages, I'll show you a video from CRYPTOTAG because it won't be very visible on my video. It will definitely be poor quality and there you'll see everything in detail.
In this tutorial, we will explain how the CRYPTOTAG Loki works with a ledger wallet with a 24-word seed phrase. First, write down all 24 words on a piece of paper. Now, take all items out of the box. Place the titanium Loki, the pencil, and your recovery words in front of you. Use the pencil to mark the letters that you want to punch. This way, you can punch the words into the Loki more easily in the next step. Please pay attention. A backup word consists of 3 to 8 letters. The first 4 letters are unique to each word and are sufficient to recover the full word. That is why you only have to punch the first 4 letters of each word. Unless a word consists of 3 letters, then, of course, you only need to punch 3 letters in the titanium Loki. In this example, the first word is Satoshi. This word should be in column 1. We only need the first 4 letters, so in row 1, we mark the letter S. In row 2, we mark the letter A. In row 3, the letter T, and in row 4, the letter O. The first word is done. So now we can proceed with the second word. In our example, the second word is acquire. This word should be in the second column. In row 1 of the second column, we mark the letter A. In row 2, the letter C. In row 3, the letter Q. And in row 4, the letter U. We will continue doing this for all the recovery words. We recommend that you check each word at the end to make sure you haven't made any mistakes. The final step is to punch all the words into the titanium Loki. We do this by using the automatic center punch to engrave all the letters we marked in the previous step. Our high-quality automatic center punch ensures easy use and perfect engraving results. Before punching, the use of earplugs is advised. Also use a solid base, for example, a strong table. Again, we start with the first word in column 1, which is Satoshi. Place the point of the center punch on the letter S in row 1. We've already marked this letter with the pencil, so we know exactly where to punch. The best way to use the automatic center punch is by placing your other hand on top of the center punch and pressing the punch down. A deep mark is automatically made in the titanium loci. The second letter is the A, then the letter T, and the letter O. And we will continue punching all words into the loci. As a final check, make sure all the words on the loci match the recovery words. If you have multiple wallets, you can distinguish between your backups by numbering them using the wallet ID. Please make sure you do not leave any paper copies, so burn the paper with your recovery words on it. When done, cover the loci to shield the words. You have now made a secure backup. We wish you a safe huddle.
I hope this video explained to you how to use loci. With Zeus and others it is very similar, but if you have any problems you can always watch videos with others on the CRYPTOTAG website. Okay guys, so now we are on the home page, on the main page of the CRYPTOTAG. So here I will show you more information about their products. This is for the hodlers, the world's best-selling seed phrase storage. Here you can watch the reviews of the CRYPTOTAG products, if you want of course. And okay, let's discover their products. So they have loci, as you can see here. Here we can discover loci and buy now. Here is the Zeus, you can see it right there, Thor and the Odin. So we can discover all storages here, we'll go for it later. CRYPTOTAG products work like a charm with Ledger, Trezor, Trust Wallet and the MetaMask. Don't just take our word for it, see what the experts are saying. So you can read it by yourself if you want. Designed to last longer than a lifetime, titanium, metal of the gods. Okay guys, for now we will go to the Discover Loci maybe. Let's go there and I will show you some more information about the Loci. The all new Loci making hardware wallet backups even more accessible. Aerospace grade titanium, unparalleled finish, intuitive design, and okay, easier than ever. The same high quality titanium reinvented and simplified for the safest way to hodl. Loci is compatible with all wallets, both BIP39 and SLIP39. Okay guys, let's go at the bottom. Punch the letters on the plates, apply the privacy covers and hodl. This is for the hodlers. Your secret is safe. Because these words are the key to your wealth, CRYPTOTAG products have been seriously tested. View the testing facility. Here you can just click and watch the testing. Can stand the heat, not afraid to get wet, might just save your life. So the CRYPTOTAG loci is very safe, and the Zeus and others of course they are too. Order now, get loci. Here you can get the loci. Delivery time is 1 to 3 business days, 30-day full refund and a lifelong guarantee. Discover the other options, so here you can discover Zeus, Thor, and somewhere is the Odin too. Here is the Odin. Here you can just compare products, all products from CRYPTOTAG, Loki, Zeus, Thor and Odin 3. So you can just add to cart here. And okay guys, here is the something like a FAQ, so for which hodler, backup process, wallet compatibility, capacity, so you can read it all by yourself if you want, if you get some more information. And okay guys, let's go to the shop right now. So here you can buy Loki, Zeus, Thor and Odin, 3 Odins and 5 Odins, and all accessories. Treat yourself, so there is a stack, so it's something like a cover for Zeus or Thor, as you can read it here, stack in style. This one costs 45 euros, I think. Loki cover Bitcoin. So you can style your Loki with Bitcoin covers. There are also blue covers, but I don't know where. I got blue covers too. Here is the Hodl Bottle, Hodl Light Bitcoin, Gift Card, Loki Relay Edition, and expansion kits. Zeus expansion kit, Thor expansion kit, and also, guys, you can buy it with bundle series. So you can buy, for example, Loki plus Nano S plus or Zeus plus the same wallet, and with the Treasure Safe 3. So you can check it, guys, and let's go now to the Zeus. Maybe we will click more info, because we just need more information about the Zeus too, because I just told you everything I think about the Loki for this time. So let's go to the Zeus now. It is bestseller too from the CRYPTOTAG. Delivery time is the same, and 24/7 customer support, free shipping on orders with 2 or more products. So Zeus looks like this. Here is the video too, trusted by the big boys. Ledger Treasure Trust Wallet, easy peasy. So you can, guys, also watch this video. If you don't know how to use Zeus, here they will explain you everything about this wallet. They will explain you everything about this seed storage. So step 1 is write down your recovery words on the included conversion sheet. Step 2, find the correlating numbers in the BIP39 word list. Step 3, write down the numbers on the conversion sheet. Step 4, punch the numbers in the CRYPTOTAG plates. And step 5, hodl. CRYPTOTAG has been featured on, you can see here, wait, numbers instead of words. What is BIP39? It's something like a FAQ, guys, so if you have any question, maybe you will find an answer here. Don't just take, okay, it's the same as I told you before. Need more backups, okay, reviews. So I think I show you all, guys. You can check their website, CRYPTOTAG.io, and maybe you will buy some product for you. Thank you, guys, for watching. Goodbye and see you in the next video. Thanks.